This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel
Join us as we explore some of the most exciting features of DJI Mavic 3. Mavic 3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1TB SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards. This also allows ActiveTrack 5.0 to be more advanced than ever before, providing safe and reliable tracking even of fast-moving subjects in complex environments. It also enables Mavic 3's advanced return-to-home function, as it combines these sensory capabilities with real-time data to intelligently plan and fly an optimum route back to the home point. The Master Shots function automates complex aerial movements and allows anyone to get professional-looking shots. With its powerful camera performance, intelligent safety features, and some of our most advanced flight technologies ever, the new DJI Mavic 3 is a must-have for professional content creators. This is imaging above everything. This is DJI Mavic 3.